I welcome any strategy that has human rights in it. So the National Human Rights Strategy for Disabled People, I welcome that, Minister. But then I go to the back and I see there's a fundamental misunderstanding. And on the last page, it says that their message is clear. People with disabilities, but they want to be treated the same as everyone else. That is not accurate. They don't want to be treated the same as everyone else, because that would not be treating them as somebody with a disability that needs carefully planned services, carefully planned assistance. Fundamental misunderstanding there on that. And then we go to the background to this. And so just that's the human rights strategy now. Let me take you back as quickly as I can in 2 minutes, 30 seconds. 1993, the Commission on the Status of People with Disabilities. 2004, the National Disability Strategy. 2005, the Disability Act, which we're utterly not complying with, the government isn't. 2007, we signed the UN. We ratified it in 2004. We signed the optional protocol in 2018. 2012, value for money and policy review of disability services. National Disability Strategy Implementation Plan 2013 and 15. Comprehensive Employment Strategy for People with Disabilities. National Disability Inclusion Strategy, and so on. Action Plan for Disability Services taking us up to 2026. What does the Taoiseach tell us at the National Dialogue? The system is not delivering for disabled people, despite all of that. Now we have a strategy, and the strategy has no plan. We're going to get the first plan in December. We have no idea, are you on target for that? We have no idea where the monitoring committee is, has it been set up? And then we look at the human rights. What do they tell us? The IHREC, viewed on its own, the strategy does not include enough concrete actions and targeted measures to allow effective monitoring of implementation. It does not adequately address key issues central to the full implementation of the UN Convention on Rights. It does not include access to justice, inclusive education, and the need to urgently address institutional safeguarding issues. Last minute, the NGO, the strategy commitments are often aspirational, and in many areas there's little detail with concrete. I'm losing my words here, I'm going so quickly. Disabled Persons Organisation highlighted as central to organisations are highlighted. The organisations are highlighted, but they're under-resourced and understaffed.